Dictation of advanced legal phrases outlines. So we ready? 1, 2, 3. Start. Deletum in present D. Diminution of supply of water. Direct result. Directory provisions. Discretion of the court. Discretionary powers. Discussed by me. Dishonest intention. Dishonest misappropriation. Dismissed with costs. Dissolution of marriage. Dissolution of partnership. Distress warrant. District court. District magistrate. District and Sessions Court, District and Session Judge, divergence of judicial opinion, dividend warrant, decision bench, doctrine of eclipse, doctrine of res judicate, doctrine of severability, doctrine of severability, document, documentary evidence does not arise, due my attention, time declaration, easementary rights, election petition, Essential Commodities Act, Essential Ingredients, FSQ's Property Act, Evasive Reply, Ever and Anon, Evidentiary, Evidentiary Document, Evidentiary Value, Ex Post Facto, Examined by the Complainant, Examined by the Defendant, Examined by the Plaintiff, Examined by the Prosecution, Excessive Delegation of Power, Excise Inspector, Exclusive Ulteriors, Execution of Degree, Execution Proceedings, Executive Magistrate, exemplary damages, expert evidence, express contract, express promise, express provisions, express unicest, extrajudicial confession, facts and circumstances of the case, facts in issue, facts relevant to the issue, facts relevant to the issue, fail to stabilize, fail to prove, first class magistrate, first defendant, first plaintiff, first point of consideration for partition and possession. For such other reliefs, for the foregoing reasons, for the purpose of court fee, for the reason stated said above, forged document, former paperies, found guilty of the offence, framed, read over and explained, framed, read over and explained to the accused from the evidence discussed from the evidence discussed above, full settlement, full settlement of the claim, functus officio, fundamental rights, gift deed, good behavior, government order, gross negligence, guardians of the minor, has no manner of right, title or interest, has no means to maintain, having careful consideration, sorry, having careful considered, having carefully considered the evidence, having regard to the age of the accused, having regard to the age of the offender, having regard to the facts and circumstances of the case, having regard to the gravity of the offense, having regard to the probabilities of the case, He further states, he has argued, he has contended, he has further argued, he has further contended, he has further pleaded, he has further stated, he has further urged, he has pleaded, here in part, habe- habeas corpus, here executors, administrators, and assigns, hereinafter referred to. High Court of Andhra Judicature, High Court of